Every day starts with a team briefing. We go through what we're working on, set our goals for the day, and get a bit of training out the way.
Before making real calls, we spend time role-playing different scenarios. It's a great way to practice the techniques we have learned and build confidence.
After training, it's usually time to jump on the phones. We research engineering companies in our industry to see if they're looking for interns. Then we reach out to start the conversation. Cold calling sounded pretty intimidating at first, but with plenty of coaching, we became more confident every week.
One thing we didn't expect coming into a recruitment internship was spending time in the workshop. We've been learning practical skills like welding, fabrication, and reading engineering drawings. It's a really good way to connect what we've learned at uni with real-life engineering.
We also spent some time outside the office doing local site inspections. For one project, we visited a local site across the road and inspected an asphalting job. We were able to identify any faults and then used our observations to write an introductory engineering report.